The official fire season in Muskoka runs from April 1st to October 31st, and with that comes a reminder.
So even though it looks really wet, and it is really wet out there today, once the water soaks into the ground, the top layer, all the dead stuff from last year, the leaves and the grass and the branches that have fallen, they will spread fire very, very quickly. So, we encourage people to clean up around their homes, clean up all that dead grass and brush, and, dispose of it at the landfill site if possible. But if they are going to have a small contained fire, they need to make sure they're burning in compliance with the regulations, and they need to keep a really good eye on it because it doesn't take much for a slight wind to take a burning ember, quite some distance and get it into some of that top layer, and fire will spread very rapidly.
Burning bylaw for the town of Gravenhurst prohibits burning from 2 hours after sunrise to 2 hours before sunset. And bylaw officer Michael Cormier says that there is one area that has a permanent ban year-round.
Ward 1, which is the urban area of Gravenhurst, is that we have total outright burning bylaw ban in that area. Exception of that is for cooking and warmth, which allows for a fire to be no greater than 30 inches by 30 inches and 36 inches in height. And it has to be supervised by somebody at all times. And somebody has to be there to be able to extinguish the fire if required to do so.
And if residents in the area don't comply with the bylaw, a set fine of $230 can be laid.
It's the first time that we get called there. We'll give the person an opportunity to be educated on the bylaw, give them a warning, and then after that we are capable of giving them a fine if it needs to be so.
The Gravenhurst Fire Department advised the public to call the Muskoka Forest Fire Danger toll-free hotline at 1-877-847-1577 before lighting any kind of fire to ensure that the fire ban has not been declared.
Right now the rating is at low, but they are forecasting a dry and warmer than normal spring and summer, so that could mean that rating changes quickly. And of course, if we do get into a burn ban, then nobody's allowed to burn at all.
If you have any questions about the open air burning bylaw, you can contact the town's bylaw department at 687-3412. In Gravenhurst, I'm Samantha Johnson.